Voilà. On talk something about pigeon. So that all man will understand. Say my brother there. Something you man give a talk. Man give understand. Man give a talk something. Cause the man should don't quite so in the worker. I'm saying my heart the heavy. That was it. But the thing so my heart the heavy. I don't want die vex. I tell you the truth. Get for work up. Go to sleep plenty. I tell you that. Get 55 country for Africa. 55 country for Africa. 50 are black Africa. I mean black color, black Africa. 5 are Arab country. Where they consider themselves say they be white. You know, say yes, see that one. Tell me who have from go tell me say in the African. But I say it for African continent. Go them as African continent. It tell me say no, they be European. Say they name African. I show me because if we talk again, if we talk, if we do something, and we do something, no man will talk. Because if you check knife, no man will sit talk. They consider themselves white people, but they stay in African continent. So now I mean the kind of people. We are the big one and the big one in the name of God. We give for like ourselves, we give for love for ourselves. Nigeria, Cameroon, Senegal, Mali, all of us give for like ourselves, give for love for ourselves. We be one. Me the man, you need to see the man, they hold the man for some place. Say, the man in Nigeria. And that. And that was set up. The man in Cameroon, and that. Like, all we now one. We can't forget one spirit, one power. All we change our country. Only we. No man will change our country for we. No man will change our continent. We change African continent for we. No man. See Chinese people there. Chinese people, the one with the one control we. Chinese people want own Africa. What's Chinese? What's that in day? Because our leader they want sell we. If you want talk, they want kill you. If you talk, they hold you send you for prison. If you talk, they kill all your family. No case go nowhere. Why man go sue for your country as what he can do for you? When they kill Africa, and they spoil Africa. England, I saw white stupid white man for England as other blacks which they can do for England. But if you forget for no see England, this one and Nigeria defeat England. And Ghana defeat England. I say along defeat England. And Liberia defeat England. And I'm saying the African, all the English continent in Africa, and they defeat England. They petrol the oil, they go everything that they defeat England. And all the 14 countries in Africa, the French country, when a French colonizer, when a French country is now, they come and say they don't be released, we don't want to be released. They didn't slavery, and they control the 14 French countries of Africa. For now, we move to a country, actually, what you do with France. Guess we had. You can go ask the government, say, what did they do for Africa? What did they do for the 14 countries of Africa? The 14 countries of Africa, if you might say, each year, France, they give 500 billion euro. They collect them that 14 countries. Cameroon, Senegal, Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, Guinea-Bissau. I mean, the 14 French countries. France collect 500 billion euro each year. Each year. France get 500 billion euro for 14 countries of Africa. Each year. Since now we defeat Europe. Now we defeat them. Now you see that picking So I 8 years, 10 years. Il touche l'arrivée, ministre au Cameroun, il touche, ministre au Nigeria, il touche. Every month he get bank card. They pay 1,000 euro bank card. You get 10 years. The one picking for Africa, they don't get trust, they don't get trust, they don't get trust for the last one. They go school no check trouser. Mrs. Arowell and I told Mrs. Arowell the very trouser, check trouser for the last. Two slippers, they go school. The moment you can say banana for it. We can say granite for it. Africa will suffer. I like Africa, but I don't get no option. I there because I don't get no option. I run for my dear life, but the people kill me. I go run for my dear life, I don't get no option. Yes. But who the English people, the English side for Cameroon, who fight against the government, what's what they do, correct. I lost many of my friends there, they don't kill them. And if it was, and it was a day, we lost about 12,000 people, 15,000 people. Kill my idol, brother. I made to shoot everybody. If you want to talk, you go prison. If you kill your family, no case go nowhere, no money to talk. Case go nowhere. I dare cannot get no. I'm not getting no option. I run for my jail life. I need to because I dare I cannot get no option. I need proud. I not can actually na plane. Guy na sea. Pass the desert, I pass the water at the air. So animal we see both I can hear. Na because I like them, you no get no option. In Nigeria, the Ghana, the Cameroon, animal both I can hear, you no get no option. You can't because you know we no day. And then maybe the one key or the one we happy family. We mention Cameroon. Money for Cameroon for 1 year, each year for Cameroon budget. Now 120 billion euro. France take it on. France take sometimes like 80 billion euro, or France take 70. The remaining one, the elders them, the share, president, governor, the people that share. I talk with the proof. I talk with the proof. I talk because I get proof. Money with the Tiva issue Cameroon. One minister money with Tiva. One minister of Cameroon. He won. It's even 100 million euro. 200 million euro. And the family for Cameroon, they suffer. They don't get 100. I mean, for Naira, they don't get up to, they don't get 200 Naira for buy rice. I mean, white rice, buy rice, cook for it. They don't get that. They suffer. We're there because we don't get no option. We're there because something there that will help their family. Something there, they go on to their jail because if you want to talk, they will kill you. They kill your mommy, kill your family. Case go nowhere. I believe say why mother whole Africa? And now Chinese people also they come whole Africa. Because don't sense will not get sense. No, if we do nothing. We like go up, come down. We don't do nothing. You don't buy land for Cameroon. You don't buy land for Nigeria. Don't buy land for Ghana. Don't buy land for Cote d'Ivoire, Mali. Senegal. Don't buy land all south Cameroon. If you imagine they buy land for Cameroon, we get the whole Belgium for 150 years. I mean, that can begin a third generation. The whole Cameroon are Chinese speaking there. They don't bomb picking everywhere. Do a woman there. But they think we compare monkey. But at school they teach a Peking, they say it will be monkey. They put a picture, poor monkey. Poor monkey and the poor say it will be monkey. Therefore, they didn't respect we. And they will live there. I gave it to myself. If I will be Africa, Actually, they do a boy with China for destroying. Any problem with Chinese man key. I get that faith. Any problem with fetch animal motor from my phone, I will destroy. Tell me what boy they sleep on the street. When I look, when I laugh, when I some country in Nigeria, I like Nigeria woke up. Different country they woke up for Africa. But someone any top because they control them. Someone any top because France control them. French country, it's just one talk. They need top because France control them. Find the tell waiting for do. Now we the youth they will go up, get up, drive all Chinese. I mean send it out. We they leave our country. We then go back. If in a business we do business with them. If we can't buy for China, buy. A business visa, we can't buy for them, turn back for Africa. If they come tourists for Africa, they come tourists. Even in 1 month, they make the 1 month, they turn back for China. We don't need no Chinese person. We give for our country by ourselves. We go make Africa be great. We give we should don't kill the place. When I tell people can do it for we. People they destroy Africa. They destroy Africa. All our resources, everything they take out. All things for Africa they take out. We'll continue to don't quiet. We'll continue to look place. Continue to look place. We will not do one now. We go do one. We are part of not do one because they take church they can confuse them. They wash church to the ground and carry church. That they bring war for Africa. That they bring all bad things for Africa and they destroy Africa. No man I believe God reach me. I pray every day and night. But I believe that God did. Can the church help for spoil Africa? Because they know we're bad and weak. We're bad and if you fight. They go church, they say they slap with the other side. They slap with this side, show the other side, make they slap her. Yeah, the mentality. That's what mind doing. They bring cedar for Africa. They bring cedar. They bring malaria. They bring Ebola. They bring many sick for Africa. That was saying they can sometimes in a vaccine. From 1 to 15 years, all the girls vaccine, they took the injection. So far, when you born, you need to be born. No person that they will win in the born begin. Now why man never? Because one say in the space of 100 days to come, 200 days to come, Africa the born will get population plenty. So they bring vaccine, can't choke our sister there. Just a sister they will copy in the born picking. When I was choosing to come for you, they say 1 to 15 years, girls them. Your young girls and how they calculate them. Then touch man picking, also girls them. If they touch girls them, that means they all reduce the population. If you talk about Nigeria, Cameroon, all countries for Africa, all the black country, they need go. They do all this. They need to do for Arab country. They need to do for Algeria. They need do that thing for the Arab country because they know say now white like them, they white like them. Baby, they know so dull, no ever get sense. They can't check our sister there. Our sister they woke up tomorrow. They need born picking. And the one way if you see they no get strong blood, they don't go born. They very key. Don't keep all the eggs in their belly. Because they don't want population. They talk a whole. One man can do it. One Chinese people that one can do that one. And the say one I wish na yesterday I wish they say China they give Nigeria 40 something 45 million. Money we never reach money. E-money we get I mean that money then get. E-money na times 100. Money when Nigeria people then get that everywhere. Damn good they reach China for Africa. China go fool now, go fool people rich people. They go fool people rich how push China go fool people. Which will get send, which will send go into our head. We come to get send, we go add film, we do one. Which will get that? Which kind of sense will get that? No get sense. Chinese people don't we. Now who will be Africa? Name a different person who can be Africa for we. All the boys will get away and get money, me then get up. Money, all the John Jazz, all the big people there. Samuel Eto'o, Gigi Okocha, all the big people for Africa, me then get up. Three be happen 400 years ago, I see it go happen again. It will happen again. It will happen. China they come. China say wicked. China no get so. China wicked past white man. China wicked. They think we control monkey. And they come again for a country can buy land them again for 200 years, 150 years. Yeah. Think for about 3 generations. Think for about 2 generations. They can buy them for Africa. All country for Africa, all the black Africa country, because they need to travel for Algeria. Now you fine, they need to travel. Who say you pass? Who say you pass? You can buy land for Gaddafi. Who say you pass? You can buy land for Algeria. Who say you pass? Chanima will pass? You can buy land for Tunisia. Who say you pass? You can buy land for Morocco. Who say you pass? You don't win Africa, black Africa. Who you will get signs? As you carry people, they carry the full way. They even slap you. Show the other side, me then slap them. If some person slap you for you, me show the other side, me slap them. So me they do we. Can't you see that for Africa? We forgive them. Well, go Georgia. They can't try Ebola, forgive them, go Georgia. Can't try malaria, forgive them, go Georgia. They can't try get an injection in the name of a vaccine. For some they're not born again, forgive them, go Georgia. Go forgive which time. I don't come wise, because I don't come small. Forgive, they keep with the go. Forgive. Who can have kind of soft fight, blank man good? Who can go? No? Weak. I say good. On a weakness, that will no good. Who go good for side? They keep every one man can do on a Chinese people. One can do that one. Chinese people do a border. They sleep for street for China. And they live for Nigeria. They still on top big bed. They sleep for hotel. They sleep one with the best house for Nigeria. They even control. They even beat African for country. They even beat Africa every country. You want to your political local? That dog put it they don't go school. Yeah. Cameroon want to have a Chinese man. You go prison for your country. Which did go on for our country? Which did go on? Which you will learn? Which you will learn? Only if we change Africa. No man if we can change Africa. The one way of America, with our parent, great grandfather, been asleep them. We need to them to the help. But the image they show them the wrong image. All bad thing for Africa, now they show for them. For American, now they see and most African one now zone way if they die anytime, any minute. So now why they fear Africa? Who now will give them making me no say Africa. A fine place. Now we make them the camp Africa. Jay-Z 50 Cent. We then camp Africa. We can't take the power for the party. The party na day for them. All the president of Africa. We don't get president, we don't get government. We get a day for them. We they drive a jeep, they drive a bingo to them. As a woman, they say banana for the head, they say granite. Picking the work under sun, sell pure water. The work under sun, sell cool water, sell pure water. I don't beg God. This sick we don't bring us so. Me God touch all the president the way they chop money for Africa. All the leaders, all the ministers, any man we consider don't invest money for Africa, can't keep up for Europe. Me God touch you. Me go. That really die family see. I happen prime minister of Nigeria. Now so God go for touch all them. Me then die with that family, not see them. They carry billion can't keep up Switzerland. Carry billion can't keep up France. When I say we don't get two nationality, we don't get two passport. But all when I get two passport. When I get passport, when I get French passport, when I get Switzerland passport, when I get Belgian passport, when I get England passport, when I get American passport, all when I leader, all the minister, all the leader, all the president, they get two passport. But they say we will not get two passport. You see life. If we not fight, no man will fight for we. I beg Africa will give for like myself. Nigeria, you my brother. Cameroon, you my brother. Mali, you my brother. Senegal, you my brother. All African countries, all we are one. No matter the Muslim or Christian, we be one. We be one. Why am I not find for Zimbabwe? They don't shoot them for Europe. They shoot the share map. Say they want to Cameroon, they want to Nigeria, they want to Mali, they want to they want to Niger, they want to now so they don't share our country because they know one thing will always be one. Because this will be one, come unite. They know if you try it. First people will kick them out of Africa and Chinese people. Meaning they fool with that money, meaning they fool with that thing. Every day, what is that they borrow money for them? Money will owe them, money will they borrow for them, money will not ever pay them. We beg Africa, we get up. The other people started, you know, you start that nonsense, we became make video, play music, make funny things. The government have video for help Africa. For talk what your government do, then they should don't quiet. I will get the power. But when I'm not tell when I'm here, all the Peace Square, them, John Jazzy, Samuel Eto'o, Mila Hoshi, all the people of Africa. All to when I do them. When I'm saying when I'm gonna get into this, so when I'm picking it, if you say Chinese one use Africa like slave again, you why I'm don't do them before. When I get grand picking or born them, they will be a slave. Yes, when I'm picking them, they will be a slave. If you see we need to fight now, when I get the power and I get the money for fight, for talk, we need a year one. And she don't quiet. Now no see this is China why use Africa as slave again, which we brought for 400 years ago, 400 and some years ago. When I'm picking it too, we part. No fish to say, hey, the one a Peace Square picking and a Peace Square picking. No one day, all when I'm picking them, they will walk. From China will conquer the world. Have we conquered the world? It will use Africa as slave. But now they say they put China everywhere for Africa. Cameroon, Nigeria, anywhere for Africa, China did. You want it tomorrow, there will only be 1 billion for Africa. You want it tomorrow, there won't be 2 billion because they don't buy land everywhere. They put Africa now. It's a big number. At the EBS, they will open a police station, China police station for Africa. Yeah, and they talk, they play. Each way I talk to today, I live on 30 years to come. No member. China will take Africa. We will not fight now. We move all China for Africa. China go own Africa. I beg the brother that will get them. John Jazzy, Peace Square, Sarkozy, Samuel Eto'o, Mila Roger, Gigi Okocha, and all the people for Africa. I beg when we come to one. We'll save Africa. We will sack all the Chinese of Africa. I beg in the name of God. Thank you now.